You know that feeling when your OS feels like it's one update away from exploding mid-game? Yeah, I've been there. So I tested Bazzite and Nobara so you don't have to. Here's which one actually keeps your frames up and your sanity intact. According to the official Bazzite site, this distro is image-based and immutable, built on Fedora Atomic. That means safer updates, rollback options, and fewer breakages. It also comes preloaded with Steam, Lutris, HDR, VRR, and even NVIDIA drivers, basically everything you need for out-of-the-box gaming. But, as one Reddit user pointed out, desktop mode can feel limited if you're trying to set up games outside of Steam. On the flip side, Nobara, as explained on the Nobara project's official page, is a traditional Fedora-based distro with extra gaming tweaks. It's not immutable, so you get more flexibility for adding drivers or third-party software. One Reddit post praised it for including kernel patches, Vulkan drivers, Steam, and Lutris right from the start. But some users also noted occasional quirks, things like Bluetooth hiccups or minor installer bugs. Here's the kicker. If you just want something that just works after install, especially for handhelds like the ROG Ally, Bazzite is a safe bet. But if you love flexibility and tinkering with drivers or codecs, Nobara might actually win you over. Either way, may your frames be high, your updates clean, and your crashes few.